皆さん、こんにちは。ジョナです。As you already know, I'm a very big manga and anime fan. And this season has brought us a very cool anime, an anime that I'm loving so much that probably all of you already know that it's called Spy per Family. And I already watched the two first episodes and I fell in love with it. I fell in love with this anime in the first episode. I loved it that much and I'm really looking forward to see what happens with this anime. And I thought, why not learn the words of family with this anime using Anya, the super cute character,
Spy Mission Waku
as a way of explaining words. We will be using clips of the anime as an example. So we will be checking out a very short scene of Spy per Family, and then we will be breaking down those words, what they mean in Japanese. So let's learn the vocabulary words for family in Japanese with the anime Spy per Family. Let's go! First of all, the word family in Japanese is kazoku. Kazoku. Well, as I hope I'm not doing a spoiler to anyone, I don't think so. And if I do, it's just the first episode. Hi. Or the first two episodes. But we can learn words from family watching this anime. So let's learn the first one, or the first two, let's say, checking out this clip.
俺のことはお父様と呼ぶように。
The father, or the main character, is Lloyd. It's called Lloyd or Twilight if we are referring to him as the, let's say, spy name. In this clip that we just watched, he asks Anya, the little girl, to call him Oto-san. And as a response, Anya says, Chichi. So let's learn the difference between these two words that are both used in Japanese language and they both mean father. They both mean father, let's say equally. Oto-san, father, Chichi, father. So what's the difference over here? Let's say. So first of all, Oto-san is a word that we would use to say father if we, for example, are talking about the fathers of another person. For example, if I talk about the father of a friend of mine, my friend is called Maria, I would say Maria no otou-san, the father of Maria. But it is true that if you are talking directly to your father, you could also say otou-san in that case, talking to your father. But if you talk about your family to other people, you would say watashi no chichi. You would use chichi here. So I think that's why Anya answers with chichi, because she's referring like to my father. More, let's say specifically, that word, we only use it to refer to our father when we talk about our father, not the father of other people. But Lloyd, Twilight, tells her to call him Oto-san because it's what usually you tell to your family directly. So that's how that interaction works and how those two words work. Chichi for talking to your father to other people, and Oto-san to talk about the fathers of other people and to talk directly to yours. Let's check it out.
俺のことはお父様と呼ぶように。
父あーにゃ眠い歩けない父すごい見つけてくる父すごい嘘つき
Let's move on to the next word. The next word is kodomo, and we can hear this word many times. Let's check it out.
あーにゃ邪魔な子供
邪魔じゃないよ。
うい
ワード。子供には難しすぎるんじゃないか。まあ俺にとっては子供のお遊びだがな。
So they say kodomo in many ways. Kodomo means child, and you can say kodomo in, like, let's say a general context, like その子供は可愛いです。That kid is cute. And when Anya talks about herself many times, she also says, am I a bad kodomo, etc. So this word, you can hear it many times, and if you try to remember it, kodomo, you can practice it a lot with this Spy per Family anime, because they will say probably a lot kodomo. So kodomo means child. Kodomo can be also simplified or said as ko. Ko means also kid, means also kodomo. So we can also hear many times ko instead of kodomo in this anime. Let's check it out.
この子はどう見ても4、5歳かそうこら。
6つ
この子にします。
Our next word is 恋人. 恋人 means partner. Usually girlfriend, boyfriend, when we don't say or girlfriend or boyfriend, but we want to say partner, we say 恋人. We can hear in the second episode of Spiper Family. Let's check it out.
恋人のふり。
恋人がいると偽ってしまって。
The next word that we can hear in this anime is 母.
母存在しない。
Haha means mother, and Anya says this word many times. Haha, mother. But with this word, with the word mother, happens the same again as it happened with the word father. We have two options. We can say or haha or oka-san. Oka-san would be the word as o to san that we use to refer or to talk about the mother of other people or directly to our mother. And then haha would be the one that we use when we are talking about our mother in front of other people. So haha is a word that, yet again, Anya will be saying a lot in this anime. Let's check it out.
母存在しない。
ダメだな。
何？
アーニャこの母やだ。
せっかく協力してやったのに。
アーニャ母いなくて寂しい。
So in this scene, we can hear Anya being like, I don't have a mother, I miss her so much, I'm so lonely, using the word haha. And then the girl, says, you are not together with your wife. So wife is oku-san, oku-san. And she says, instead of using san, the honorific san, she uses sama, oku-sama.
アーニャ母いなくて寂しい。
奥様はご一緒では？
ああ、いや。妻とは2年前死別しまして。
They both mean wife. The difference is that san is less polite than sama. Well, san is still polite, but sama is even more polite. This is about the honorifics that I plan to do a video. I plan to do another video another day about the honorifics. But basically, she says oku-san. Oku-san is wife. And then Twilight answers that he doesn't have a tsuma. Tsuma is yet again wife. What happens here? It's the same that happened with father and mother, that oku-san is the word that you will use to refer to other people's wives. But if you are talking directly to your wife, or about, well, better said, if you are talking about your wife, you will say tsuma. So that's why he uses that word. So let's check it out again.
奥様はご一緒では？
ああ、いや。妻とは2年前死別しまして。
The next word that we can hear in this anime is, the word is husband. So husband is otto. In this case, you can use otto both for your husband or for other people's husbands. So let's check it out again.
ここでおいとま。
遅くなり申し訳ない。夜の夫のロイド・フォージャーです。
夫でなく恋人で良いのですが。
しまった。
Let's add one last word. Let's add a special word that Anya uses a lot. It's not related to family, but I think it's relevant for this anime and you can practice it while you are watching it.
ミッションワクワク。
So every time she is excited about something, she says, wakuwaku, wakuwaku. Wakuwaku is actually an onomatopoeia. In Japanese, they have many onomatopoeias and they use them a lot. I plan to do in the future a video about onomatopoeias and to explain them and to check out how they use, and a few YouTube channels or Instagram pages that I recommend you to learn onomatopoeias. But let's learn wakuwaku in this video because Anya says it so much. So basically, wakuwaku means to be excited, to get nervous also. So when she says wakuwaku, it means I'm excited, this is exciting. Wakuwaku. Let's check it out.
スパイミッションワクワク殺し屋アーニャワクワクアーニャこれ好き
サイレンサー付きの拳銃だと。
ワクワク
So I hope you liked this video. It was really fun to do using Spiper Family as an example. The words that we learned I will leave in the description below. We didn't learn many words, but the good thing about it is that if you're watching the Spiper Family anime, you will have the opportunity to practice these words a lot. So you can try to remember them, and then when Anya or someone is saying those words, you can remember, I listened, I checked out that was, for example, father, and now you can remember a little bit more and put those words into practice. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video. またね。ありがとうございました。